All right, what's going on, traders? It is another update on our FX Goliath trading bot. This is the only trading tool that you need in 2026 to level up your trading game, and the results have just been phenomenal. Just to break down how this trading EA actually works, it takes 1 to 5 trades per day. Max stop loss is set at 1.5%, and it is all 100% hands-free. This account has now grown to over $300,000 in total profits without going into any kind of serious drawdown. That is correct. This is what we use to automate our prop firm accounts. You guys can use this EA on any single prop firm, even prop firms that have strict trading rules, whether they have consistency rules. It is compatible with all of your favorite prop firms. It is also compatible with all of your trading platforms, whether you're trading on MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, Match, or TradeLocker. And let me show you guys a breakdown of how this trading bot has actually performed since we made our update. Let's get down to the analysis, and I'll show you guys the breakdown. So here is my social trader tool. Right now, we are on FX Goliath version number 6, and the profits are exactly the same as my social trader tool, $543,588.21. This trading EA trades gold, pound dollar, and euro dollar. And I'll break down some of the trades that it took this week. But before that, I'll show you guys the biggest drawdowns that this bot has actually had over the course of this 8 months since we made our updates to version number 6. You can see just how the account has grown without any kind of serious drawdown. Here was the first drawdown right there, 55.3% to 54.92. Another day was right here, 72.96 to 71.93. Another day right here, 76.8 to 76.4. You can just see the accuracy of this EA, 81.32 to 80.96. You can see that we have never had a big drawdown on any given day. This is how the account has grown. The risk management has been absolutely insane, and we have been able to optimize this EA with the use of AI, and even with all of the geopolitics and volatility in the markets right now, it has performed even better and made some serious profits. So if I go to the overall history, this is the past year. The overall profits are exactly the same as my social trader tool right there. $543,588. But just going through the trades from this past week, you can see that we had only a few small losses. Here was a profit of $2,000 on gold, $700 on pound dollar. This is the first small loss that we had this week on euro dollar for $480. And then we had a nice win on gold, $1,536. This was our biggest loss this week, minus $1,400, but we made up for it with a huge win on gold for $3,472. Gold has actually been going down this week. You can see the volatility on gold. It has been on a downtrend right now. We are trading at about 51.50. Many people are scared of the markets right now because of what's going on in the Middle East, but this is your chance to take advantage of the volatility, because when there's volatility in the markets, this is when you can make the most profits, because if the market is just continuing to go sideways, it is very difficult for traders to make any kind of serious trades and make profits in the market. But right now, this is the time. So if you guys are questioning whether you should be in the markets right now, this is the time. This is the once in a lifetime opportunity to take advantage of the markets during these volatile times. This is a 200K account, but you guys can adjust the lot sizes. This is my desktop right now. The profit's exactly the same as my phone. These arrows are when the algorithm actually places the trade. There are some days that it's going to lose about 1% because that is the way this bot is designed. I told you the max stop loss is set at 1.5%, and there are a few days that you're going to hit that, maybe 1.1%, maybe even 1.5%. Let me show you guys the profits that it did the past month. The past month, it did $45,000, which is about 20% on a 200K account. But like I said, the lot sizes are adjustable. So on a 100K account, you guys will be using half the lot sizes. So on gold, you guys will be using 4 lots. On pound dollar, you'll be using 5 lots, and euro dollar, you'll be using 5 lots as well. So the past month, we did about 20%. I'll show you guys when it hit 1%. So you can see right here, it did a 1% loss on pound dollar, lost exactly 1% of $2,000. So there obviously will be days like that where you hit the 1.5%. We had a sell on gold where we lost $1,200. And then here was another loss. On gold, 264, and then on pound dollar, 1,570, which was another 1%. This spot has just been killing the markets. Everyone in our community has just been benefiting. This past week, another one of our members secured another huge payout from FTMO for $15,000. And you can just see the proof is all here. For the past 8 months, never any kind of serious drawdown. Once you guys do join, you guys will have access to our trading community. We have made some significant updates to our trading group. You guys can check out all of the other prop firms that our members are using. For one of our prop firm automation accounts, this member has now funded across 5 different prop firms with over $1 million in trading capital. He started with us back in July. So you can see since back in July, he has now scaled all of his prop firm accounts. And just in the month of March, he has secured these 3 payouts, and he's still due for more, $11,000, $22,000, $18,000 on his prop firm accounts. So another successful trading week of closing over 5 figures. Hands-free. This is the time. Obviously, our team of programmers and traders are going to make consistent updates to this trading algorithm. Let's see how long this can last. So if you guys are having trouble trading, or if you guys are tired of staring at the charts and mapping out support and resistance levels, our trading algorithm has already mapped out the most optimal prices with stop losses and price action, and is continuously data driven. Even with all of the geopolitics, all of the data is constantly fed through our servers, and the EA is making constant adjustments to make sure that we have continuous successful trades. You can see our win rate. The win rate on this EA has been 73%. There's no other EA that has had a trajectory like this and had successful trades like this in the market for this long. If you guys would like to get started and level up your trading game in 2026, make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel, check out all of the videos. We make weekly update videos on our FX Goliath EA. And if you guys would also like to join our community, we're helping hundreds of members become successful traders. And you guys can hit this link right here, reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your trading journey.